Hi parents, this is a quick tutorial or a quick video of what the bat sight word bat hunt could look like. So in this video, the sight words are on the bats and the bats have been placed around the room by me, and so the children don't know where they are. So we turn the lights off. The kids worked in pairs, so you can modify this however you need to. And they had a flashlight, and so they would shine the flashlight looking for bats. When they found a bat, they would turn to their partner, they would take a picture of the bat with the iPad, and they would practice either highlighting the word on a clipboard with the sight word list, or they would write the word and read it on, they would read the word and write it on a wipe-off board. So this can be modified in any way you would like. This is just an example, so here you go.
Very good. Can we play there? Oh, right there, right there. Next word. Okay. Next one. What is your next one? Let's go to the Guess what my skin looks like? You find look and
Looking hi, great job, girls. Stay with your partner. Stay with Angel.